Hello everybody, welcome back to your channel again. In this video, we are going to solve another Pandas task. It is task 185, department top 3 salaries. And the level of this task is hard. And what does it ask for? We have a method, it's called top 3 salaries, and it has two inputs. Both of them are data frames. And the first one is the employee data frame, and the second one is department data frame, and it says that we need the top 3 salaries for each department separately. A company's executives are interested in seeing who earned the most money in each of the company's department. A high earner in a department is an employee who has a salary in the top 3 unique salaries for that department. Write a solution to find an employee who are high earner in each department, and then return the result table in any order, and the result format is the following example. Okay, this is the example. For the first example, number 1, we have an employee table. It has ID and the name, salaries, and department. Please notice that the departments are in number. The number 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. And we have a department ID table. And here it tells us that the ID1 or department ID1 is equivalent to IT, and 2 is equivalent to sales. And at the end, the result should be first not based on the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, the ID, but based on the name. So we should somehow merge it into the first one, and then the employee, and then the salaries. Okay. What is important is we should do the calculation for the IT department separately from the sales department, okay? In order to do it, we use 3 different methods. The first method is the merge method, which we use it to merge the department ID into the employee table. And at the end, we should have, instead of ID numbers, ID names of the department. And after that, we use a method named rank in order to rank the salaries from the highest salary to the lowest salary. And to do it separately for each department, we use group by method to do the calculation and ranking of the salaries separately for each department. Okay, these 3 methods are important. You should learn them because with just these 3 methods you can solve this problem. And then, in order to have a clear code, first we program it in the Jupyter Notebook line by line, and you can see the result of each line separately. And then we transfer them here in the lead code, and we run and submit it together, and we will see that it will be accepted. But if this is your first time watching our channel, please do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell button, so whenever we upload new videos, you will receive a notification. And at the end, if you like the video, please hit the like button. By doing so, you will help us to be introduced to those who are interested in these topics too. I hope you enjoyed this video and stay with me to the end. Okay, now we are in the Jupyter Notebook, and in the first cell we have implemented and imported the pandas as PD as our main library, and then in the second cell we are simulating the example department data frame and employee data frame that we had in the questions, the first example. And to do so, we just defined a dictionary named data, the ID name, the name of departments, and then we change it to data frame. And then I have set the index ID as the index of this data frame, and this is our department data frame. It's similar to that with what we had in the lead code. And then we had done the same for employee data frame, and we have the same employee data frame that we had in the lead code here. This is our ID, and then we try to work with these 2 data frames, the employee data frame and IT data frame. Okay, the first thing that we do is merging the employee and department data frames together, and we want to merge actually the department data frame into the employee data frame. To do so, we say merge df is equal to pd dot merge. Okay, and what does this merge do? If I press Shift and Tab, we can see the docstring and merge data frame or name series object with the database style join. Okay, we have left and right. The left one would be the employee data frame. Okay, we say left is equal to the employee data frame here, and then we say the right is equal to the department data frame, this one that we have here. And after that, we have another property for this method, and we say left on equal to department ID, or what we have here, this one. I just copy and paste it to have it the same. And right on equal to the ID that we have here, this ID. Okay, I explain you how it works. Okay, press Shift and Enter. But let's just have this merge data frame, Shift and Enter. This is what we have now. Okay, the first data frame, name, salary, department, but now we have name X, salary, department ID, and name Y. So what is the name X and name Y? The reason that we have name X and name Y, it's because in both of these data frame we have a column with the name, and that's why to separate them, the first one get named X, which is the employee in the left one, and then the second one, which is the data frame in the right one, and it is the department, get name Y. Okay, but from this data frame we only need several of these columns. The first one is name X, the second one is salary, and the third one is the name Y. Okay, and then we change the names to, we rename the columns to have the same format that we had in the answer, because in the question it told us the last format should be based on the this one. Actually, we can see it together again. The format should be department, salary, employee, and salary. This is important. So here again we just call it. Now we have, if we call it, it says that there is an error. What is the error? Okay, they should be actually a nested list, and we should add them into another list like that. Shift and Enter. Now we just separated name X, salary, and name Y. And now here, before calling this merge data frame, we change the column names. Okay, columns, and we change them to, the first one is the employee, and then the second one we want it to be the salary, and the third one we want it to be the department. We don't change the orders because in the question it told us there is no need to change the orders, and the answer can be submitted in any orders. Okay, again, just let's see what is now the merge df. It should be a column is equal to, and let's just again, and now this is our merge data frame, employee, salary, and department. Okay, now we add another column to our merge data frame named rank, and we rank this rows based on the salaries. For example, the highest salary we want it to have rank 1, and then the second highest salary we want it to have rank 2, and so on. Okay, to do so I just copy and paste this merge data frame here, and I add another column named rank, and it is equal to merge data frame, and from this one I choose the salary, this column I choose salary, and then we have a method named dot rank, and this dot rank we want to have it has a property named method, and the method is equal to dense, and ascending is equal to false. Okay, what does it do? Let's just call it again. It ranks the salary based on a number. 90,000 euro is 1, rank 1. 85,000 is rank 2, but because we have 85,000 two times, both of them has rank 2 because we use method dense. When you use method dense and we have two similar salary, both of them will have the same rank. And this is what we want to have in the question, because it asks us 3 highest salary, and if we have 85,000 two times, both of them should be repeated, and the top 3 salaries for us in this case would be 90,000, 85,000, 85,000, and 69,000. Because 85,000 is repeated, then we will return 4 people with the highest salary. It would be the highest 3 salaries, which 4 peoples get these 3 highest salary. Okay, but there is a problem in this case. In this case, we are ranking all of them regardless their department. Number one, rank two, and rank 3 is from the department sales. But we want rank 3 be from department IT, and for sales department, we want it to be 1, 2. To do so, we just use a method named group by, and we use it before calling this salary. It means first we group by our merge data frame. To do so, we just say group by based on the column of department. From now on, when we group by, all the methods will be applied to each group separately, to group of sales department and group of IT department separately. Okay, then after we group by them, we choose the salary and then rank them. Okay, then we run it again, and now we can see that the ranks for sales department are separate from the ranks for IT department, and the sales department rank 1 and rank 2, and IT department rank 1, rank 2, and again rank 2, rank 3, rank 4. And the last line of code, now that we have our merge data frame ready, we just want to return the merge data frame where this merge data frame rank is smaller or equal to 3. When I want to just return the rows that the rank is less than 3. It means for this case, for the sales department, only 1 and 2, both of them will be returned. And for IT department, 1, 2, 2, 3. And 4 will not be returned. If I press Shift and Enter, this is our result. Okay, this is the result that we need. And let's just put all of them in one cell, this part of the code, and we just copy and paste them, this part of the code, and this last line. But still there is a small problem, and it is this rank column. The answer template does not have this rank column, so before returning it, we should just delete this rank column, and to do so, we can just easily say our merge data our merge data frame here is equal to this one, and then we want to have our merge data frame drop the rank column. To do so, we just say drop and labels is equal to the rank column. We say axis is equal to true. Okay, Shift and Enter. Let's run it. This one. Okay, we just copy this part of the code and go back to the lead code website. This one should have space. And the last line, we just say return this one. Press run, and hopefully it accepted. Let's just delete this one. It should not have this equal. Run it again. Yeah, it is accepted, and let's submit it and hope that it will be accepted too. Yeah, it is accepted. The runtime, it took 467 milliseconds, which beats 65.86% of applicant. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned it. If you like this video, please hit the like button. By doing so, you will help us to be introduced to those who are interested in these topics. Have a good day. Bye.